Hello everyone, in this video I will demonstrate how to access voice chat on Roblox without requiring an identification document. But first, please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So, first of all, you have to log in into your Roblox account. Once you did that, you have to click on the gear icon located here. Then select Settings. Next, navigate to the Privacy section and look for the Enable Voice Chat button under the beta features. If you don't see it, there are two possible reasons. Firstly, your account may be designated as under 13 years old. Secondly, Roblox may not have selected you as a beta tester. In such cases, you will need to wait a little longer to access this feature without requiring an ID. Once you join a Roblox game and enable the voice chat feature, you'll see a text bubble with a microphone icon, allowing you to mute and unmute yourself. Make sure to configure your Roblox settings for voice chat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel as a token of appreciation. Thank you, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.